Hi, it's Anne here. In this podcaster review, I'm going to show you how you're able to create powerful podcasts in 5 minutes in over 100 plus languages using the AI-powered 6-in-1 podcasting solution. Make sure you stay to this end of this review as I'm going to show you a detailed demo of this software and the different OTOs to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Podkastr, just click on the link below and you'll also be able to see all of the special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as really help my YouTube channel and to make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. And I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's have a quick look at the bonus page. These are some of the special bonuses which will be available during this special launch period. And if you decide to purchase from my site, all of these special bonuses will be right inside your JVZoo account waiting for you after you purchase the Podkastr software. Let's do a walkthrough together on a Podkastr sales page. With the Podkastr, you are now able to create powerful podcasts within 5 minutes in over 100 plus languages using the AI-powered 6-in-1 podcasting solution. And they are content converter, article converter, ebook converter, video converter, audio recorder, and audio uploader. And there's also an inbuilt commercial license used for client podcasts without any special skills or experience needed. With the Podkastr, it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, use any of the 6 engines to create and upload your audio. Step 2, you can customize your own podcast details. And step 3, you can publish and distribute up to 20 podcast distribution platform, embedded audio, or your website, and you can also auto-share to multiple social media platforms. And now you're able to reach millions of listeners by having your podcast listed in all the top podcast directories. And they are Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, Podcast Addict, Pandora, Castbox, Overcast, iHeartRadio, Stitcher, Pocket Cast, Podcast Index, Amazon Music, and so much more. And usually by creating podcasts, it consumes a lot of time and effort for it. This is because you need to create traffic pulling content, record the podcast episode yourself, create a podcast website, you need to pay monthly fees for hosting the website, and you need to create custom RSS feeds for podcast distribution. And this is where the Podkastr comes into the picture. You are now able to create, host, and distribute unlimited podcasts in over 100 plus languages using the 6 AI trained engines. And you are also able to join and tap into the $95 billion podcasting industry with an existing of 425 million users. Next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software, and I will come back showing you the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. And I will see you after this.
Welcome to Podkastr. In this short demo video, I'm going to show you how to create a highly engaging podcast within minutes without writing any content. Podkastr uses 6 AI-trained engines and is the very first of its kind. To get started, click on Create New Podcast. The first engine is the text converter. This engine allows you to type or paste any content and convert it to an audio podcast. Just paste in your content and click to convert to audio. The second engine is the article converter. This engine allows you to convert any article to an audio podcast. Here's how it works. Copy the URL of your article, head back to Podkastr, paste the URL, click Scrape to extract the content of your article, fill in the required details and click to convert to audio. The third engine is the ebook converter. This engine allows you to convert any ebook content to an audio podcast. Here's how it works. Upload your ebook in a PDF format. Click Submit to extract the content. Fill in the required details, then click on Convert to Audio. The fourth engine is the video content converter. This engine allows you to transcribe any YouTube video and convert the content to an audio podcast. Here's how it works. Copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to use. Head back to Podkastr and paste the URL. Select the language spoken on the YouTube video and click on Add URL to transcribe the video. Fill in the required details and click on Convert to Audio. The fifth engine is the Audio Uploader. This engine allows you to upload your existing audio from your local computer and convert it to an audio podcast. The sixth engine is the Audio Recorder. This engine allows you to record your audio directly inside Podkastr. Continuing with the Video Content Converter. Once you've transdio, fill in the required details and click to convert to audio. Next, you will customize the audio player and podcast details. For the audio player, you can change your background and text color. For now, I'm going to leave it at default. Next, you need to upload your podcast art cover and fill in other details. Once you're done customizing, click here to publish your podcast. Wow, that's how easy it is to create a podcast using Podkastr. You can now check out the podcast you just created. You can view the podcast page. You can also copy the URL and share anywhere. You can click on Copy Embed to copy the embed code of your audio for use on any web page. You can also copy the RSS feed link to distribute your podcast on podcast directories, such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and much more. We have new video tutorials to guide you through this. There's also the podcast website. On this website, you can see all the podcast episodes you've added to it while creating your own podcast. Next, we have the integration. Here, you can connect your preferred autoresponder and build your email list directly from your podcast page. We have well-detailed video tutorials to guide you through every feature and tool on Podkastr. See you on the inside.
And let's do a recap on the many powerful features inside the Podkastr dashboard. You have the 6-in-1 podcasting solution, and they are content converter, article converter, ebook converter, video converter, audio recorder, and audio uploader. And you can also grow your email list with the inbuilt leads generation system. You have access to the audio embedder, 265 lifelike human sounding voices. You can create podcasts in over 100 plus languages, and you can customize your podcast player. You have the auto-generated SEO-friendly podcast pages. You have access to the One Podcast website, and you can distribute up to 20 podcast directory platforms, and also to auto-share to multiple social media platforms. And let's have a look at the comparison of Podkastr to other similar software in the market itself, such as Buzzsprout and Castos. With the Podkastr, you can convert ebook to podcast, article to podcast, audio uploader, voice recorder, one-click translation to 100 plus languages, audio output customizer, audio embedder, unlimited episodes, unlimited listeners, inbuilt lead generation, auto connection to most popular email marketing platform, unlimited listeners, custom podcast pages, custom podcast website, custom domain connection for podcast website, and you have the unlimited audio storage. And as you can see, Podkastr has many winning points on the podcast creation software. And this will be the last part of the review. Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase or to upgrade your front-end product. On the front-end side of Podkastr, you get access to the content converter, article converter, ebook converter, video converter engine, audio recorder engine, and audio uploader engine. And you can grow your email list with the inbuilt leads generation system. You get access to the audio embedder, 265 lifelike human sounding voices, create your podcast in over 100 plus different languages. You can customize your podcast player. You have the auto-generated SEO-friendly podcast pages, entitled to One Podcast website, 5 minutes max recording and audio upload. Can distribute up to 20 podcast directory platform and to auto-share to multiple social media platforms. And the first OTO is the Podcaster Agency Pro. Everything is unlimited on audio recording minutes, audio upload, and podcast website. And you can kickstart your podcasting agency business with the following assets. workspaces for your team members. You get all the done for your podcasting agency website, proposal, contract papers, graphic assets, and ad copies to sell your podcast services. And the second OTO is the Podcaster done for your white label website. With this plan, you are able to connect your own custom domain to all the podcasting websites and to replace with your own logo. And the last one, third OTO, is the Podcaster reseller. With this plan, you are able to resell Podcaster and to keep 100% of the profits to yourself. And altogether, there are 3 OTOs to the Podcaster software. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Podcaster, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as really help my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!